Hi, I'm State Fire Marshal Butch Browning. This week's Marshal message is unity starts with you. Hey, my friends, we've all come up in our departments. We've all come up in times where unity wasn't as quite needed as what is needed today. Unity is so very important, not only in our department, but in the departments around us, in the other city and parish entities around us, certainly in our community. You know, as I reflect on the great work of what the Louisiana Fire Service has done in our most recent disasters and storms here in Louisiana, I see the power of unity. I see fire chiefs from multiple departments coming together. I see them working to not only mitigate their problems, but to mitigate their whole community's problems, multiple people coming together. And I'll tell you, I see departments that don't normally communicate on a regular basis now being hand in hand. I mean, I've actually been out in the field and saw a person from one department actually driving another department's fire apparatus. That's the kind of unity that happens certainly when there's disaster. And I think that's the point. You know, if we're going to be prepared for the things that challenge our department, whether it be a national emergency, whether it be some type of disaster, or whether it just be a major incident in our community, it's the unity that we have with all first responders, with the elected officials, with the public, that'll make us successful. And look, I could go on and on about unity. We know unity is very important, but sometimes it's not on our radar. It's not in front of us as much as it should be. But certainly in times of crisis, it's the unity that make us successful. So remember, together we could bring about better service, better safety, and a better quality of life to all in Louisiana if we would remember unity is important.